Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute tiger. You can use a pencil, crayon, marker, whatever you feel comfortable with, but I'm going to use this marker. I'm going to start my line by making a J shape, and I'm going to wrap it around, and then I'm going to close it up. So it's a weird looking U. And that is the bottom of my tiger's head. I'll wrap it around. Let's give it some hair. 1, 2 little zigzags, and then I'm going to come back around down here, and I'm going to put a little indent so that it has cheeks. Next, I'm going to make the ears, and that has an N shape. And let's get the inside of that ear. Let's get the other side, making another N shape and going back down. And one more. Now, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video and catch up. Here we go. So I'm now going to make some triangle lines for the little designs that are on my tiger's head. They're V shapes. One down, then the other. One down, then the other. The top of my tiger head is done. Let's get the middle. We're going to make a cute little nose. Again, another triangle shape, but with soft edges. Then I'll make a backwards J. And put another loop to make a J shape on that side. Now it has a cute mouth. Make this tiger happy by closing its eyes. We're going to use an N line. There we go. There's one N and 2 N's. Oh, it looks so happy. Let's continue making those stripes. So we're going to make another triangle, making with an upside down V. And here's my other upside down V. Let's make another tiny triangle on this side, close to the mouth. There we go. And one big triangle. There we go. 1 and 2. All done with the head. Now let's make the body. One line down on this side over here, and another line on the other side, so it has a body. I'm going to draw more tiger stripes by adding triangles on the side. Here's another one. One more. Awesome! I'm going to add a couple of more details that I don't want to have in black lines. So I'm going to grab a pink marker to give it some rosy cheeks. Here we go. I'll make an oval shape next to its eye over here. Finding the perfect line for that. And I'm going to go on the other side and make another oval shape. For the inside of the mouth, I'm going to wrap around an orange color to make it really pop and separate the mouth and the chin from the rest of the face, making an oval shape. That's going to all get colored in, so it's okay if my line's not perfect. I'm going to make another arch on the bottom as well, so its tummy, it's a different color than the rest of its body. We're all set to color now. You can use markers, crayons, color pencils, whatever you have at home. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.